Here is the detailed feature of new iPhone 15. In this video, we explain to the point changes. iPhone 15 featured the dynamic island, easy way control for direction in maps, control music, and with third-party app integrations, get real-time updates on food delivery, ride-sharing, sports scores, travel plans, and more. The Super Retina XDR display is great for watching content and playing games. HDR brightness now reaches up to 1600 nits, and when it is sunny, peak outdoor brightness reaches up to 2000 nits, twice as bright as the previous generation. iPhone 15 color is infused throughout the back glass, creating 5 beautiful colors. The back glass is strengthened with an optimized dual ion, a new contoured edge on the aerospace-grade aluminum, and the ceramic shield front cover continues to be tougher. One of the major upgrades is a powerful camera with super high resolution. The advanced camera system on iPhone 15 is 48 megapixel main camera that shoots sharp photos and videos while capturing fine details, with a quad pixel sensor and 100% focus pixels for fast autofocus. Using the power of computational photography, the main camera gives users a new 24 megapixel super high resolution default, incredible image quality at a practical file size ideal for storing and sharing. An additional telephoto option gives users optical quality zoom levels. For the first time on an iPhone, portraits on iPhone 15 feature sharper detail, more vivid colors, and improved low light performance. This advanced HDR rendering is also available to third-party apps, so images can look even better when shared online. iPhone 15 upgrade emergency features. Also, iPhone 15 introduced roadside assistance via satellite. Beginning in the US, when a user has car trouble and cellular and Wi-Fi coverage are not available, they can now connect to AAA, the country's largest roadside assistance provider. An intuitive interface, including a short questionnaire to capture important details, will transmit the information via satellite so AAA can message with the user directly and dispatch help to their exact location. In the iPhone 15 lineup, you will see a USB Type-C port for fast charging, a universally accepted standard for charging and transferring data, allowing the same cable to charge iPhone, Mac, iPad, and the updated AirPods Pro. Second generation. iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max support USB 3 for data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, up to 20x faster than before. The data transfer speeds is 480 megabits per second. Unfortunately, Apple did not announce any improvement in charging speeds on the company's spec page. There is also the all-new action button, which is a fast track to your favorite feature. Once you set the one you want, just press and hold to launch the action, offering additional options so users can choose between quickly accessing the camera or flashlight, activating voice memos, focus modes, translate, and accessibility features like magnifier, or using shortcuts for more options. Also in this iPhone 15 series, you will get the iOS 17 update that brings big updates to phone, messages, and FaceTime that give you new ways to express yourself as you communicate. Standby delivers a new full-screen experience with glanceable information designed to view from a distance when you turn iPhone on its side while charging. AirDrop makes it easier to share and connect with those around you and adds Name Drop for contact sharing. Enhancements to the keyboard make entering text faster. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Peace out.